Alright guys, we're right here where the steps come down from the restaurant and the ramp's on the other side. And you have this neat little thing here where you can put money and Matt's going to tell you what you do.
This is for the elevated train. It's up top.
Guys, it goes around on a track, guys.
Yeah, we're going to film that.
Alright, we're going to watch that
Yeah.
as soon as Matt puts his
money. Put the dollar in.
It's for the elevated train, guys. Insert money here, then look up. Okay, look up.
Okay, guys, I'm climbing the stairs here to look at this. That's so cool.
I'm bad.
Mhm.
Yeah, two? Yeah, two.